Hi, SkullSlasher here. Right now we're here, we're gonna make slime. So I'm here with my friend Yaid. Hi. So, I'm sorry because my mom, she's talking, so I'm sorry. So this is like my TV living room. So what you're gonna need for the slime, is 2 bowls. Then you're gonna need a teaspoon, like that. Then you're gonna need a cup, some slime, whatever you want. I'm doing clear. He's doing the white one, and food color, and he's doing blue, and I'm doing green. Green, why? Because I already made one, so I'm trying to connect it. That's what I'm gonna do. So what you're gonna do? Yeah. Oh yeah, and the last thing you need, there's glue. Okay. Now I'm just kidding. Okay. Okay. Stop laughing. So first we're gonna start with. Oh yeah, I'm gonna say borax. You need borax too. I don't have that much of space because I'm here in a little table. So let's get 1 tablespoon of borax. Oh no. I mean teaspoon. Yeah, teaspoon. So here it is. Let's put it in the bowl. Stop. Don't eat that. You could really die. So you put in the bowl. Now what you do, you add 1 cup of water to the borax. So we're gonna add water to this. So here we have 1 cup. So let's add it to the borax. Oh no, this is so cool. Okay, now you get your teaspoon and you mix it because it already has borax in it. So you're gonna start mixing it. Here's how it looks like. So it still has borax in there, but we got to still mix it. So now that you're done mixing it, you're gonna get your other bowl and you're gonna add the glue. So first we're gonna do mine. So this is 5 ounces, so we gotta pour the whole glue in there. So we open it, and we just pour it in there. Oh my god, did you hear that sound? Yeah. If you're not seeing my face, I'm sorry because it's not a makeup tutorial, right? It's all about this. Oh my god. Okay, now we're gonna add 1/2 a cup of water. 1/2 cup. So we're gonna get back. So here we have 1/2 a cup. So let's pour it in the glue, not the bricks, okay? Now that we're done, we're gonna add our food coloring. You wanna put them in there? Yeah. Blue. Okay. Put 6 drops. This is how you do it. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6 drops. Oh, I was counting to 8. Okay, 6 drops or 8 drops. Sorry. It was really. Now, if there's still glue, just pour it in there again. Who more? Yes, there is left. No, there's more. Yeah, there is more, right? Okay, now what you do, you're going to mix it. Yeah, mix it. Oh, that feels like. Oh, look, feel it. Feels like glue. Oh, it's not. not goo, it's ooze or slime, whatever you want to call it, or goo. Yeah. He calls everything goo. He calls putty goo. He calls slime and ooze. He calls it goo. He calls everything goo. I don't know why. How old is he? You're asking? He's 5. That's why he calls everything goo. I don't know. Now we're gonna add the borax water, and we're gonna add it to the glue. Oh no!
Smell it.
Is this actually working? Oh no! It's all the way filled. It's filled all the way. So now you're gonna mix. Oh! It's goo! You mean slime?
This is gonna call it goo.
You're gonna call it goo?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Look at this. That's so awesome. Okay, now you're gonna get the juicy stuff. You're gonna pour it in the, oh, oops, oopsie, oops. Oh my god. Okay, wait. Now what you do, you just play with your hands. Oh my god, this feels so weird. Well, I'm just acting because you gotta take this off of the spoon. Seriously. Oh, that feels so good. You can't feel it until you get yours. I haven't done just like a regular glue. I only done a clear. So yeah. Oh no. Oh my god, this feels so weird. So now we're just gonna put it onto the table. Well, make sure your mom doesn't get mad of this. Because like, oh my god. Look at this! Okay, now we're just gonna play with it. Oh my god.
My hand is...
Wait, hear that? Okay, now we're gonna pour some more goo or slime or ooze or whatever you want to call it. Okay. Just take out all of this. Okay, now what you're gonna do, now that you have enough slime, you can throw everything to the garbage and wash your hands. Right. Oh my god, I can't even hit pause on my tablet. So we're gonna play with this for a while. We're gonna put in the bag. Yeah. Okay. So make sure to play with it a lot, because if you don't, then it's like when you play with it, it's gonna get stuck to your hands. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it inside of this bag. So let's do this. It's sticky, so you gotta play with it. Okay, open it. I'm gonna mix it to the other solution. Okay, now let's just there. Oh no. So here's our slime. We mix it up. So you should mix it up with the you should make 2 and then mix it up. This is what you have. So cool. So you can play with it. Now we're gonna do yais. Let's keep going. Fast forward. Make sure to clean. Oh yeah, I forgot. We need a bag. Look at my lips. I ate food coloring. Eee! Don't ever eat food coloring by itself. It's not bad, but never do it. Your lips turn blue and look at that. Oh yeah. What?
You can't eat it.
Look, I'm gonna hate you if you tell me to eat it. 6. Whoa, squeeze it. 1, 2,
3.
That's it. You put 6 because you did it a double. So here we go. We're actually like, look at this. Does this look like school slime? Kinda?
No.
No, it doesn't. But let's put some more.
Nothing. Continue to use it.
Because I eat it.
Yeah. There's no more.
There's no more. Look at that. Do you see that? Wait. Wait. There. Do you see that?
Why?
Yeah, but
Touch it.
this doesn't look like slime.
Only green.
Yeah, on the green looks like real slime. Oh my god. You touch this? That feels weird.
Yeah.
I guess we gotta play with it, so we'll see you. We'll see you in a minute. I think we're actually done, so let's try mixing it more. This time we're gonna mix it with our hands. Let's do this. Look at this. This is kind of a fail. Ah!
Only we did green.
Yeah. If this is a fail, only we did green. If it's not, this kind of looks like a fail, but we're still gonna play with it. This is how you get the dirtiest hands ever. So here it is. We just squeeze it, and then let me take this out. Let me see. Let me just try it for a little bit. This actually feels good. Well, it's better if you like squeeze it in the back so you don't get sticky hands. So let's touch it. Actually, this is not a fail. If yours does like that, it's not a fail. You put it in the bag, you squeeze it, you get it out. It's actually not a fail. Really. It's actually not a fail. It's actually like the reaction of the borax. So this is actually not a fail. So we did both of us. Finally, we did both of them. This one's Yair's. Looks crazy. It looks like colorful and all that. And mine is the green slime. That one's the biggest of all. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this video. Subscribe, like, comment if you whatever you want me to do next. And